Welcome back. Lina Girl's over there. Davey D's over here. Time for the people, places, and things we're either obsessed and or impressed with. And sis, I'm obsessed and impressed with Temu.
Haven't you always been?
Well, I mean, not really me. I'm more Amazon, but my mother-in-law likes to shop on Temu, so I'm feeling the pain right now because the Chinese version of Amazon or Temu is stopping some shipments to America because of the tariffs. In fact, it has stopped sending one-off direct from China packages to consumers in the United States. And this is because on May 2nd, President Trump collapsed what is known as the de minimis provision. That is a rule that exempts or limits liability, especially for small or insignificant matters. And of course, these are small packages. So you know how people order all the small kind of stuff from Temu? And like 50 million of them come with, remember, was it you got the clips?
My hair clips.
Yeah, the hair clips.
I got the hair clips that are like this small because my sister-in-law thought she was getting the hair clip that was this big. And when it came in as a package of like 30 of this, and she's like, what am I going to do with this? I said, I'll take it. So thank you, Temu.
Yeah, so thank you for now because of the tariff thing, but it was protected by the provision. Not anymore. So now those small items are subject to the huge tariffs imposed on goods from China. And yeah, that is going to change a few things. I know people are bummed about it.
Sorry.
Well, sorry to you too, because you're not going to have the small clips.
I get 30 of them, so it's okay. I'm good. I'm good for a few years, I think.
All right, sis, what are you obsessed or impressed with?
Okay, I got home from my gig on Saturday, and my brother was watching Renovation Aloha. Remember, we had Kamohai and Tristan Kalama on the show, right? But I never really got a chance to get into the show. So to spend time with him, I sat down and I watched the show, and now I'm completely hooked.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Like, when I mean completely hooked, like hook, line, sinker. In fact, I made him go back to season 1. Then we binge watched all of season 1, and then we went way through season 2. And then in the middle of season 2, my cousin Charlie started watching. And then we did something super crazy. We drove around and found some of the houses.
That's not crazy, sis.
That's crazy stalker kind crazy. Come on, let's be honest. Because I drove past the house like 5 times. There's one over there in Keopuka. There was another one in our Waikalua area. It was even the one in Kailua. Oh, you know, when you start driving out of your town, you know you're nuts, right? But yeah.
Okay, should I tell her about the kind? Rock the Block?
Rock the Block.
That's
Rock the Block.
also on HDTV. They have all of these different designers and construction. They all get together, and Tristan and Kamohai is on that one. And by the way, I would call you a stalker, but you know what? Kamohai and his dad, Uncle Corbett, they know where you live in Kaneohe. So both of you guys are obsessed and impressed with each other.
I am super obsessed for you to come and fix my house too. But I love it.
All right.
Yeah. All right. So after the break, we're going to celebrate your birthdays. And who knows, you might get a new house. No, just kidding.
What?
You're definitely going to get a song and some loving right here when we return.
Management is sweating right now, sis.